this video, we'll show you how to program your Encore dryer for pricing. Pricing can be programmed in dollars and cents. First, remove the coin box. Inside, there is a black plastic button. Press the button once. The 4-digit LED display will change to your machine's pricing mode. To set your dryer's high heat pricing, use the low and no heat buttons to navigate to register 40 and press start. You can set each digit to correspond to your desired price. Simply press the button until it reflects the value of your choice. Press the start key to save and exit. If the values of registers 41, 42, and 43 are 0, each dryer program will be set to the value of register 40. If different pricing is desired, program each register separately. Repeat these steps to change the pricing at any point. For more information about programming pricing for your dryer, please refer to the user manual.